What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Questra. Today, we aren't just building a website, we are building a business. Look at this, Queue Remover. It's a fully functional AI background removal SaaS equipped with Google Authentication, a pro subscription model, and 5 different ad streams for instant monetization. Best part? It costs $0 to build and run. Let's get into it. The master prompt and all resources are in the description. Grab them and let's get straight to the build. I've engineered this master prompt to force Gemini to scaffold the exact UI and logic we need. We're using a clean white first design with soft orange accents. Paste this into Gemini Canvas and watch it build the entire front end, the Firebase integration, and the AI processing logic in one shot. Head to the Firebase console, create your project, and enable Google and email authentication. Now for the database, create a Firestore Database. Critical warning. In Firestore rules, you must set Allow Read, Write if true. This is non-negotiable for the app to handle user credits and profiles immediately. Next, we need the AI muscle. Go to Remove.bg, sign up for a free account, and grab your API key. This is what powers the actual background removal. Now for the money. On Adsterra, add your domain, and generate these 5 ad units: Popunder, social bar, native banner, the standard banner, and a smart link. This ensures you're earning from every single visitor. Now, don't waste time hunting through code. Use my integration prompt. Just tell Gemini, update the code with this Firebase config, this Remove.bg API key, and these Adsterra script tags. Paste your keys in, and Gemini will do the heavy lifting, injecting the logic perfectly into your app. InfinityFree, Client Area, Control Panel, Online File Manager. Stop. When you open the Online File Manager in InfinityFree, do not delete index2.html. It keeps your domain alive during the initial setup. Simply create a new file named index.html, paste your Gemini-generated code, and hit save. And we are live. A professional, high-retention AI SaaS built in minutes for $0. You have the AI, you have the auth, and you have the ads running. If this added value to your journey, hit that like button and subscribe to Questra for more builds. See you in the next one.